Alright, good day. My name is Engineer Tolentino, okay, and I'm going to show you the solution of this problem 3 plus 2a raised to the 4 minus 3i, okay, minus all those concepts because I will let you figure out why all the things that I'm going to do is possible, okay. So this problem is solved using a software in the computer, okay, and I'm going to do this purely using the calculator. Alright, first step is go to complex mode, mode 2. Make it sure that you are in the region mode. So here it is in the region mode. If in case you do not know how to shift the region mode, enter shift mode. Alright, shift mode 4. Shift mode and then 4. That's the region mode. And then of course go to mode 2. That's the complex mode. Okay, next step is store that 3 plus 2i, store it to a, and that 4 minus 3i, store it to b. Okay, so I have stored two complex numbers. Next step is multiply, okay, len of the absolute value of a, okay, plus the argument, that's shift to 1 argument of a, and then insert an I, multiply this by b, there, okay, by b equals, and then store the result to c. So we have a value of c now, okay, and the next step is I want to extract these two values there, okay. I want to extract these two values, 6.899 and negative 1.4954. To do that, enter shift hyphen, okay, c, alright, cosine of argument shift to 1 of c. Okay, you see I have extracted the real component, store that to x, and then I want to extract the imaginary, okay, the coefficient of the imaginary component. Alright, just write sign of argument shift to 1 argument of c there. Okay, so I have extracted the imaginary component, store it to y, okay, and I'm now prepared to compute this. Okay, the value is alpha e raised to the x, and then angle shift minus alpha y. Okay, this is now the answer, 74.278 minus 983. Okay, my next discussion will be, okay, later on will be the rationale or the reason behind all the steps that I did. Okay, so thank you and good day.